Welcome to the lecture series of A2 level physics. Now the question is, state what is meant by an ideal gas, right? So ideal gas is given by the equation. So an ideal gas is given by the equation, that is PV over T is equals to constant, or we could have written PV is equals to nRT. Okay, now looking at the second part B. A storage cylinder for an ideal gas has a volume of this. The gas is at a temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, right? And a pressure of this. Show that the amount of gas in the cylinder is 6.1 moles. So for amount, we will be using the formula PV is equals to nRT. So we have to find the number of moles, that is N. Okay, so what is P? P is given to us 5.0 into 10 to the power 7. What is V? V is given to us 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 4. And we don't know. Okay, and what we have other information. Okay, and it is 8.31 into nRT, right? So R and T, temperature, if you have converted 23 into Kelvin, so we are getting a value of 296. So N is equals to basically 6.1 moles. Now looking at the second part, the gas leakage. The gas leaks slowly from the cylinder, so that after a time of 35 days, the pressure has reduced by 0.4%. Calculate the average rate in atoms per second at which the gas atoms escape from the cylinder. Now since it's a rate question and it's a 4-mark question, so it means that it's difficult to answer, right? You have to think a lot about it. So first of all, we will be looking at the loss. So how we will be calculating the loss? 0.4% divided by 0.4 divided by 100 multiplied by 6.1 moles. So the total loss in terms of moles is 0.0244 moles. Okay, now this in terms of atoms, multiplying with the atoms constant, 10 to the power 23, we are getting number of atoms. Similarly, to find a rate, this should be number of atoms divided by, if I look at the constant, it is s minus 1. So divided by number of seconds. So it would be 1.47 10 to the power 22 divided by how many days were there? 35 into 6 into 20 into what? Into 24 hours into minutes into seconds. So we are getting a value of 4.9 10 to the power 15 s minus 1. So 4.9 10 to the power 15. Okay, I hope that you guys have understood this. This was a difficult part 3, and this is the end of the session.